I've been creating for over 40 years. My main focus is painting. And living here in the desert, I'm incredibly inspired by the variety, the textures, the monsoon storms that we have that come through this part of the country. And it gives me great joy to be able to share what I've learned through the years with others. Hello, my name is Cindy Carrillo. I'm an artist living in the Sonoran Desert and the southwestern part of the United States. The class that I'll be teaching is working with acrylics and painting the landscape. And acrylics are very, very forgiving. And I will explain to you the difference between working with them as compared to oils, how to start the painting, and hopefully in a very non-intimidating way. And I hopefully will be able to make your art journey a little smoother and enjoyable. So I look forward to seeing you.